Hi everybody, Aaron Patton here, Sales Director with SunTrip Automotive. I want to invite everybody out to the Car Mom Show. It's going to be this Sunday at Queeny Park, 1 to 5. There's going to be a ton of vehicles out there. So if you're in the market for a vehicle or you just want to see what's coming down the pipeline, they're going to have every different make and model. Not only all the models that we sell, but they're going to have Chevys, they're going to have Fords, they're going to have Hyundais, Kias, BMWs, Ioniq 5s, all sorts of different vehicles for you to come check out, no pressure whatsoever. So we hope you guys come out there, 1 to 5, Queeny Park, this Sunday, okay? Kelly Wallace is gonna be out there. She's gonna be showing some different vehicles. Kelly, what vehicles are Hyundai gonna have out there?
We will have the Palisade, the GV80, the Ioniq 5, and Santa Fe.
Yeah, Santa Fe. So a bunch of different vehicles, so you can come out and check them out. As a special Car Mom deal, anybody that mentions this post or finds it on our website, we're gonna have a link listed below with all of our inventory. We'll get you an extra $500 discount on any car you find on suntrip.com. Okay. On top of that, we're gonna give you 3 years free maintenance. If you're not from around here and you can't use the maintenance, I will give you free shipping for any vehicle included within a 500-mile radius. So hopefully you come out and support it. You're gonna enjoy it and you'll have a good time. So 1 to 5 Queeny Park this Sunday. Hope to see you there.